Canberra Elite Taxis. As your caller ID is not available, please enter your phone number then the hash button. We have your pickup address as 227 Selvia Place, Palmerston. Press 1 if this is pickup address. Press 1 to book a taxi immediately.
No.
Press 2 to place a booking for later today or press 3 to place a booking for tomorrow. Please enter the time for this booking, then the hash button. Press 1 for AM or press 2 for PM. You would like your booking tomorrow morning at 10 AM. Press 1 if this is correct. After the beep, please say your first name.
Caleb.
Sorry, we didn't quite get that. Let's try again. After the beep, please say your first name.
Caleb.
Thank you. Your booking has been accepted and the first available taxi will be sent for the required time. Thank you for calling Canberra Elite Taxis.
What?